Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best camera lens. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Mica 25mm d2.2 large aperture manual focus prime cine lens. Specifications: brand name, Meek. Focal length, 70 to 200mm. Number of diaphragm blades, 10 blades. Focus mode, MF. Focus type, standard prime. Type, fixed focus lens. Lens type, manual. Weight, 101 grams to 150 grams. Number 4 on our list is Mica full-frame 50mm f1.8 autofocus lens. Specifications: brand name, Mica. Focal length, 50mm. Launch date, 2023. Number of diaphragm blades, 9 blades. Focus mode, AF. Focus type, standard prime. Type, fixed focus lens. Full frame, yes. Lens type, automatic. Number 3 on our list is Mica 85mm f1.8. Specifications: brand name, Meek. Lens structure, 9 elements in 6 groups. Aperture range, f1.8 f22. Focal range, 85mm. Number of aperture blades, 9 blades. Lens diameter, 79.5mm. Length, 75mm. Weight, 540 grams. Number 2 on our list is Mica 55mm f1.4 APS-C autofocus portrait lens. Specifications: brand name, Mica. Focal length, 55mm. Launch date, 2023. Focus mode, AF. Focus type, standard prime. Type, fixed focus lens. Full frame, yes. Lens type, automatic. Number 1 on our list is TT Artisan Autofocus 56mm f1.8 camera lens. Specifications: brand name, TT Artisan. Minimum aperture, f16.0. Focal length, 56mm. Launch date, 2023. Lens UV filter size, 52mm. Focus mode, AF, MF. Type, fixed focus lens. Lens type, automatic. Weight, 201 grams to 300 grams.